Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Old Hope Road, and Old Hope Road runs from Crossroads all the way up to Papine. So on the left we just passed the FLA. Over on the left now is a Toyota dealership. The FLA is a firearm licensing authority, and that's where you go in Jamaica to get a firearm license. And Toyota is the car dealership, Toyota. Okay, here now is Retreat Avenue. This takes you back into the Golden Triangle area, or takes you onto Seymour Avenue up to Hopefield. It's a large residential area. A lot of townhouses and apartments. On the right, I'm not sure if you can see it, but on the right, that's Beverly Hills. So when you think of Old Hope Road, the location that probably comes to mind is the police commissioner's office. It has been at that location for years. Probably the most popular location on Old Hope Road. But it's a very long road. Extremely long road. Okay, at this intersection, okay, on the left is the police commissioner's office, prime real estate. There was talk once of moving the office and building apartments. I think NHD was going to build apartments, but I don't think that happened. I've always wondered, like, some of the properties, how come the government properties, that is, how come they don't sell the property and persons build townhouses on them? Because some of these developers would love to get their hands on a piece of property like that. Okay, so at this intersection now, on the left, on the right, if we go right, we go onto Monroe Road, and that takes us up into the Beverly Hills area and also the Mona area. But we are going straight and staying on Old Hope Road. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon. It's a weekday, so that will give you an idea what the traffic is like. Now on the left is Mailpack, and it's a very popular company in Jamaica. They bring in, if you buy something in America, you ship it to an address that they give you, and they bring the packages down to Jamaica. Pay the duty, everything, and then you just collect the packages down here. Left, you can see the sign, drive through COVID testing. I just heard on the news recently that you don't have to do a COVID test to go into the US anymore, and you don't have to do a COVID test to come into Jamaica anymore. So that will definitely make traveling a lot easier. Straight ahead on the left, that's Campion College, one of the top high schools in Jamaica. I think with the latest rankings, it's a number 2 high school in Jamaica. And on the right is St. Peter and Paul Preparatory School, which is one of the top prep schools in Jamaica. Now, every year, to go from prep school to high school, you have to do an exam called GSAT. It used to be called Common Entrance. And you pick 5 schools, and the persons that get the higher grades get their first choice. So Campion College now is a high school. So to get to Campion College, you would have to get your first choice. That means you'd have to do very well on the exam. Now in high school, you do an exam called CSEC. It used to be called CXC, and based on it's a international exam. Everybody in the Caribbean will do it. Sit there, the same exam. Everybody in Jamaica does it. So it's those passes, the CSEC passes, that they use to rank the high schools in Jamaica. I don't think they rank the primary schools or the prep schools, but they rank the high schools based on the passes in the CSEC exam. And Immaculate Conception High School is a number 1 school now because they got the better passes, and Campion is number 2. But every year it changes, and the top schools are usually between Campion and Immaculate. Okay, at this intersection, if we go straight, we would go onto Barbican Road. If we turn left, we go onto Hope Road, and Hope Road will take us down to Halfway Tree. And if we turn right, we will stay on Old Hope Road and head up to Happy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.